Downloading invoices from BIDIT to QuickBooks is easy. As soon as quotes are turned into jobs, you can export them. In the left-hand column on the screen, click the Export Files icon. That's the one that looks like a down arrow. Then, click the highlighted text that says Invoices Export. This brings up all of the jobs you have in BIDIT. The second column from right shows if or when that file or job has been exported before. Select the ones you want to export to QuickBooks. Then click Export at the top of the page. This will generate a CSV file. If you want, you can change the file name or just go with the one assigned, and click the Export button to save the file. Be sure to save the file in an easy location to find when you go to QuickBooks. Next, open your QuickBooks program. Click the Options arrow next to Create Invoice. Select the option for Import Invoices and find the file you just saved. If some of the jobs are not already customers in QuickBooks, click the option to add new customers to QuickBooks. QuickBooks shows all of the mapping so you can make sure it looks good or that the categories line up. This should already be set correctly because BIDIT is already set up to match the QuickBooks categories. Click Next and you'll receive a notification for the number of invoices to be added to QuickBooks. Click Complete Import, which will bring up a completed screen. In the event you clicked on some invoices you've already added to QuickBooks, the program will find them and remove duplicates from the import. This will bring you back to your list of invoices in QuickBooks, where you should be able to see the new imported data. If you click on one of the files, you'll be able to see the invoice generated through BIDIT. You can also click over the customer in QuickBooks and there you will find the new jobs as well. For more information on using BIDIT or how BIDIT can help your business, reach out to the BIDIT team at IDI, where we look forward to earning your business every day.